Hello dear children, today we are going to revise the sums based on probability. Please look into the type of the questions carefully and prepare yourself for first semester examination based on the types which we are taking today. So here we go, a sum 9 from 2 throws of a die. Now when you throw 2 dice together, how many combinations you get that you all are aware? Total outcomes is equal to 36. What is asked? Probability of getting a sum 9. Now just check out in the combination, where do you get the sum as 9? Look over here. 3 plus 6, 4 plus 5, 5 plus 4 and 6 plus 3. Addition is 9. How many outcomes you are getting? 4 outcomes. So probability will be 4 upon 36. And 4 upon 36 is 1 by 9, and so option D is the correct option. Alright, so one thing you should be very clear here, total number of outcomes when you throw a die or 2 dice thrown together or 2 coins thrown together or 3 coins thrown together, you should know that. Next sum, 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. What is the probability of getting 2 numbers whose product is even? So again simple, but you should be very vigilant when you count what is asked to you. So again we have a sample space of 36 combination and 2 numbers whose product is even. Look here, 2 ones are 2, 4 ones are 4, 6 ones are 6. Here all 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 2, 4s are 2, 5s are 2, 6s are. Then 3 twos are 3, 4s are 3, 6s are. Next row, all combination, the product is even. Next row, this 3 is even. Next row, again all the combinations are even. Now if you count this, these are 27 outcomes. So probability will be 27 upon 36. Reduce it to lower term, and after that your answer is 3 upon 4. So option B is the correct option. Alright, sounds slightly lengthy, but once the sample space is ready with you, it's easy, then you just have to count and give the correct option. Okay, the next sum, 3 unbiased coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting at most 2 heads? This is very important. What is the meaning of at most 2 heads? Now 3 coins are tossed. So your sample space is this. This is what is your sample space. We get 8 outcomes. We are asked what is the probability that at most 2 heads will come. Now please very be vigilant and careful here. Meaning of at most means exactly 2 heads. Okay, exactly 2 heads or less than 2 heads, but not more than 2. So at most 2 heads means exactly 2, less than 2 or no heads, but it should not be more than 2. So in the combination, let's check out where we are getting that. Exactly 2 heads, the second place we are getting it, third place we are getting it, next also we are getting, next it is 1 head, that is also allowed, next 1 head which is allowed, next is also allowed. I said even no head, so all the 3 tails is also allowed. What is not allowed? That is the 3 heads. It should not be more than 2. That is the meaning of at the most. Alright, so we get 7 such combinations. So the probability of getting at the most 2 heads is 7 upon 8. Alright, next sum. 3 unbiased coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting at least 2 heads? Now at the most and at least, look at the difference. At least means it should be at least 2 or it can be more than 2 but not less than 2 or more than 2. So what options we will have here? So at least 2 means first combination is fine, second is also fine, third is also fine, fourth is also there, then fifth, sixth, 7 and 8 will not do. At least 2. That means it has to be either 2 or more than 2, but not less than that. So we have got 4 such options, or 4 outcomes. So the probability is 4 upon 8, and 4 upon 8 is 1 by 2. So option D is the correct option. I repeat once again, at the most 2 heads means exactly 2 or less than 2 or no 2, but not more than that. And at least 2 heads means either 2 or more than 2, but not less than 2. So this is the major difference between at the most and at least. Please check this once again. Let's now quickly have the last sum, and probability chapter is incomplete without this type of sum. So one card is drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red suit. Now how many kings are there in a pack of 52 cards? There are 2 kings, one of diamond and one of heart. So probability will be 2 upon 52, and 2 upon 52 is 1 upon 26. So A is the correct option. Next is probability of getting a face card. Now how many face cards are there? In every suit there are 3 face cards, so total 12 face cards are there. So probability of getting a face card will be 12 upon 52, and if you reduce it to lower term, your answer is 3 by 13. So option B is the correct option. Third is probability of getting a black card. Now there are 2 types of black card. Alright, so 13 plus 13, 26 black cards are there in a pack of 52 cards. Probability will be 26 upon 52, and 26 upon 52 is 1 by 2. So option A is the correct option. Savita and Hamida are friends. What is the probability that both will have the same birthday, ignoring the leap year? Alright, so we all know that number of days in the year is 365, and number of days when same birthday is possible is 1. So out of 365 days, 1 day is the possible outcome wherein they will have their birthday. So probability that both will have the same birthday is equal to number of days where they can have same birthday in a year, and that is only 1. Alright, and that is divided by total number of days in the year. So we'll write that 1 upon 365, and this is the probability that they will have same birthday. Now the second part of the sum, what is the probability that they will have different birthdays, and again ignoring the leap year. So their birthday will not come on the same day, they will have birthdays on different 2 dates. So again we have total number of days in a year as 365. We can solve this sum by using the formula P of E plus P of E bar is equal to 1, and then rearranging the terms and getting our answer. So probability that both will have the different birthday is equal to 1 minus probability that both will have same birthday, because we have just calculated the probability of both having the same birthday, so we can make use of this. Alright, so if we substitute the values, it is 1 minus 1 upon 365. Solve it. So 365 minus 1, this is by cross multiplication, divided by 365, and so we get the answer as 364 upon 365. So the probability that both the friends will have different birthdays is 364 upon 365. Alright. So next sum. This is again the example, and just have a look at that. A bag contains 5 red balls and some blue balls. We are not given the value. It's just said that some blue balls. If the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of red ball, determine the number of blue balls in the bag. Alright, so let's see what is all given to us. The bag contains both red and blue balls. Number of red balls are given to us, that is 5. Since they said some blue balls, we'll consider number of blue balls as X. One thing is here that total number of balls. Now, because for finding the probability we need to know total number of balls. So we'll write total number of balls as 5 plus x. One thing is given to us, that probability of drawing blue ball is equal to 2 into probability of drawing red ball. And this is the statement which is given to us, and with the help of this we can find the answer for this sum. So let's see. Probability of drawing blue ball is equal to number of blue balls upon total number of balls in the bag. We have considered total number of blue balls as x, and total number of all balls including red and blue together is 5 plus x. So x upon 5 plus x. Then we'll find out probability of drawing red ball. So probability of drawing red ball is equal to number of red balls in the bag divided by total number of balls. We have 5 red balls and total number of balls are 5 plus x. Alright, now let's make use of the statement which is given to us, that probability of drawing blue ball is equal to 2 into probability of drawing red ball. Both the probabilities we have already calculated. Let's substitute the values. So we get x upon 5 plus x is equal to 2 into 5 upon 5 plus x. So we can cancel 5 plus x from both the sides. So what you are left with, x is equal to 2 into 5. So x is equal to 10. That means there are 10 blue balls in the bag. So this is one of the important sums, and you can consider this sum as higher order thinking level sum.